In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link to submit another response in Google Forms. Whether you're conducting a quiz, a survey, or a poll using Google Forms, enabling respondents to easily submit multiple responses can be quite useful. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, head over to Google Forms. For this demonstration, I have already created a form and named it Quiz, but feel free to use a form you've already set up or create a new one as needed. Once you have your form open, you'll need to navigate to the Settings tab, which is typically located at the top of the page, represented by a gear icon. Clicking on this will open up a myriad of configuration options, allowing you to tailor your form to your specific needs. Next, look for the Presentation drop-down menu within the settings. Clicking on this will reveal additional options. Here, you'll want to toggle on the option labeled Show Link to submit another response. This simple click ensures that once someone finishes filling out your form, they will immediately see an option to submit another response right from the confirmation page. This can be especially useful in scenarios where respondents may need to complete the form multiple times, such as practice quizzes or feedback sessions. After you've enabled the option to submit another response, it's time to publish your form. Locate the button labeled Publish or Send within the interface. Clicking this will finalize your settings and make the form accessible to your intended audience. Once your form is published, you can easily retrieve the responder's link. Simply click on the Get Link option and ensure you copy this link either by clicking a visible copy button or manually selecting and copying it. This link is what you will distribute to your participants, providing them with direct access to your form. To ensure everything is set up correctly, open a new browser tab and paste the copied link in the address bar. This will allow you to test the form as though you were one of your respondents. I recommend submitting a mock response to see if the functionality works as intended. After submission, you should be greeted with the confirmation that includes the Submit Another Response link. This verifies that everything is functioning correctly and participants can indeed submit multiple responses easily. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward guide to allowing multiple submissions in Google Forms. By following these steps, you're not only enhancing the functionality of your Google form, but also improving the overall experience for your users. Thank you for watching and happy form creating.